Now see, there are so many ways to find out the maximum and minimum value of the function, as well as point of maxima and point of minima of the function, right? Now, so here a question arises that which one is the point of maxima and which one is the point of minima. It is so simple. The point at which the graph of the function attains its highest value, that is known as the point of maxima, as well as the point at which the graph attains its minimum value, or we can say we will be getting the valley, the deepest valley, that is known as point of minima. Okay. Now suppose we can see here that this one is point C2. Okay. In this graph you can see that at point C2 this function, the graph of this function is going to attain its highest value, highest output, right? Value means highest output. It means it will be known as FC2, right? And this output is considered as FC1. Now in this case we can see that we are getting the minimum value of this graph at FC1. Okay, why? Because the range is going to be considered at y-axis, right? So in that case we can see that the minimum point which we are getting is FC1 for this graph. Now second thing which is really very important, that the maximum point which we are going to attain for this graph is C2, and the value of the graph or the value of the function which is maximum at this point is denoted by FC2. Now let us discuss about the local maxima and local minima.